fire tonight. Thank you, Mr. Bus. Bruh! See what happens on a nice warm night. We'll rip a fucking wheelie down here. White. Oh, boom! Let's go, boy. That's how it's done. Well, I think that was literally like, I swear down, that was like the best wheelie I'd ever done. Like, and it was in front of somebody as well. And it was in front of somebody. Really low fuel? Oh, bro. I literally, my service lights come on. I think this is the second service that we're going to be having. But I literally, I don't know how KTM are going to react when I'm going about fucking 1,000 miles over what I should have done. But I can't afford a service. Like, it's not that KTM services are expensive. It's just the fact that services in general are quite expensive. So you know, I can't really afford another service. But you know, take them as they come. Take them as they come. You know, there's something proper satisfying about riding at night. I really don't know what it is, but it's pretty good indeed. I think it's because it's like a lot quieter. You know what I mean? I don't know. I really don't know what it is. Especially the roads are quieter. I know that. But because like there's no sound pollution, like, and the air, I think it's definitely the air. You know what I mean? The air is totally different on the night time, especially on a humid night like this. Your bike runs so well, so lean. It just runs well. You know what I mean? There's no denying it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, she sounds good. I'm meant to be doing a drive out with someone I met on a Duke Facebook page tomorrow. We're going to Squires over in Leeds, also known as Sherburn. It's a lovely bike bar. If I ever got big on YT, not big, but if I ever grew a community, I think that is where I'll be hosting most of the meetups if I ever did one. Because I mean, it's not my dream to get absolutely massive on YouTube, but you know, just to have a little community where you can just do meetups, ride around. There's, you know, where you can just meet. There's like 30 people. You know, you're all talking about bikes. You're all showing each other your bikes. I just think it's nice. You know what I mean? I just like the way bikers. I love the way bikers connect to one another. It's just like such a different conversation with what other people have. Oh, hello, Scruff. She is popping. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, yes. You see what I mean about riding on a night? It's just so good. It's so good. What can you not like about it? Oh. I'll let him go. Go on. You're not going? Yeah, there we go. I'm a nice person, mate. You know what I mean? I'm not all butterflies and rainbows and wheelies and clutch-ups. Oh, she sounds so good. Watch where you're going, boy. Oh, yes! Right, I'm not gonna lie, right? So you get, you know, when people get on a bike and they get a new exhaust, you know, they like revving it, they like popping it, they like flying up some gears. The best way an exhaust sounds like, the best sound a bike can make to me, right, is when you're in an absolutely high gear, right, and you just absolutely thunder it down gears. At the end of this straight, I'll show you what I mean. Going down gears, oh look at that high beam, so good. But going down gears is just absolutely amazing, right? So I'm actually going to fly up here, get into 6, and I'm just going to absolutely fucking wallop it. nothing better than just literally flying down your gears, listening to your engine pop away. See what I mean? And then obviously it's the last stop of the night, so a wheelie must be done. Did you hear that? So yeah guys, if you did enjoy that, I know it's pitch black for you right now, leave a like down there. If you're ever new around here, make sure you subscribe. But guys, thank you very much for watching. This has been Julian Motovlogging, and yeah, I'm out.